The metaverse. It's one of the biggest buzzwords in tech right now. But what does it really mean? Is it just about VR headsets and games, or something much bigger? In this video, we're going to break down what the metaverse actually is, why it matters, and how it might shape the future of how we live, work, and connect. Let's dive in. At its core, the metaverse is a shared virtual space where people can interact with a computer-generated environment and with each other, just like the internet, but in 3 dimensions. Think of it like a digital universe that never turns off. Instead of browsing a website, you walk into a virtual mall. Instead of video calls, you meet your friends as 3-dimensional avatars in a shared room. It blends technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality, blockchain, and AI into one big immersive experience. You might think the metaverse is a brand new idea, but it actually goes back to 1992, coined in the sci-fi novel Snow Crash by Neil Stephenson. Later, games like Second Life, Minecraft, and Roblox started bringing the idea closer to reality. People built avatars, homes, businesses, and communities, all inside digital worlds. Today, companies like Meta, Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, and Google are racing to build the next evolution of the internet, a full-blown metaverse. Let's break down the core building blocks of the metaverse virtual reality. You wear a headset and enter fully digital spaces. Great for gaming, meetings, or virtual travel. Augmented reality adds virtual elements on top of the real world, like filters, 3-dimensional furniture in your room, or digital directions in glasses. AI powers, smart avatars, NPCs, speech translation, personalization, the brain behind the experience. Blockchain and NFTs allow digital ownership of virtual items like land, clothes, or artwork, all recorded transparently and securely. 5G and cloud computing. These make it fast and smooth. Real-time rendering, seamless interactions, low latency. Without these technologies working together, the metaverse would just be a laggy game. So what can you actually do in the metaverse? Here are some game-changing use cases. Gaming, obviously. Fortnite, Roblox, and VR chat already offer massive multiplayer worlds. Workspaces. Imagine attending a virtual office where your avatar meets with co-workers in a digital conference room. No Zoom fatigue. Shopping. Try on clothes virtually, walk through 3-dimensional showrooms, even buy NFT versions of real products. Education and training. Learn surgery in a VR operating room. Train factory workers in a safe virtual space. No risk, full immersion. Entertainment. Attend virtual concerts, art shows, or even movie premieres with friends across the world. Real estate and architecture. Walk through a digital version of a house before it's built. Design in 3 dimensions and get feedback instantly. The possibilities are limitless. But it's not all perfect. The metaverse also comes with serious challenges. Privacy. More data means more risk. Your movements, facial expressions, and even emotions could be tracked. Addiction and escapism. Like any virtual world, it can lead to people disconnecting from real life. Digital divide. Not everyone has access to the devices or high-speed internet needed. Regulation. Who controls the metaverse? How do we handle harassment, fake content, or digital crime? These are issues developers and policymakers are still figuring out. Believe it or not, there's already a growing metaverse economy, and new careers are emerging. Metaverse architects design digital buildings and spaces. Avatar designers create unique virtual identities for people. Virtual event planners, VR developers, blockchain experts, digital fashion designers, and more. The global metaverse market is expected to reach over $800 billion by 2030. The earlier you understand it, the more opportunities you can grab. So will the metaverse replace the internet? Not overnight. But just like the internet in the 90s, we're at the beginning of a major shift. The metaverse won't just be one app or one company, it'll be a whole ecosystem, with interconnected platforms, digital identities, and real-world impact. And you might be living, working, or building in it sooner than you think. So, what do you think about the metaverse? Is it the next big thing or just a buzzword? Comment below and let's talk. Subscribe to Paraneural AI for more deep dives into the future of tech. Hit that bell, because the next revolution is already happening.